Okay, so we continue with our chapter 8. And now chapter 8 was very interesting. We had a lot of discussion just from introduction. So that's why we did introduction, because it was a lot, right? And our topic is the vows of charity and Nidrei Tzedakah. Okay. So, and you know what, let me quickly read again, so we have like overview. So one more time, the Torah tells us, if man makes a vow to Hashem or swears an oath, so vow and oath, we said two different things. To establish a prohibition upon himself, he shall not desecrate his word. According to whatever he said, he shall do. Remember Torah 3. And we said, whatever we promise to do, we must do. Or whatever promise not to do, don't do. The Torah gives one the right to take something that is permitted and prohibited for himself. Right? So all of these vows, as we explained before, and I'm just going to go quickly, just to remind us highlights. All of these vows, it's not like about something that is forbidden or something that is permitted. So we cannot, example that we gave last time, so I cannot say, I swear I'm going to put tefillin every day. So it's a useless swear, right? It's for nothing. Or I'm not going to eat non-kosher. Okay, so you're already not allowed to eat non-kosher. Right? So rather is taking something that is permitted and forbid to oneself. Okay. Continue. Even though one normally not permitted to add anything to the Torah, through the Neder vow, one may do so, as the vow is so powerful that one who accepted the Neder upon himself would violate both positive commandment and negative commandment by not fulfilling it. Right? So even though Torah said do not do anything extra, do not make up any extra rules, but as we explained last time, person wants to strengthen himself or herself. So meaning what? If I already make this vow, so if I'm going to break this vow, I'm going to violate the positive and negative commandments. That's too much. Okay, so that's what I don't want to do. Okay, so under some circumstances it would be allowed, but we have to be very careful. Continue. In conjunction with the ability to make Neder, so Neder is a vow. Neder is meant is a means to annul a vow through the Sheilas Chacham, going to Chacham, okay, or three individuals who are not necessarily Chachamim and having it revoked, right? So on one hand, Torah gave us permission to make these vows if necessary. We say, all right, on one hand. On another hand, Torah gave us the way out. The way out is what? Is cancellation of the vow, annulment of the vow, right? So, and we can go to one person who is expert in that field, or to 3 regular people. So regular mean regular people, not very learned, but at least they understand what's going on, right? With this vow, like general knowledge. Okay. This can be done in one of 2 ways: Hatara, regret, right, and Pesach, opening, pretext for retracting the vow. Okay, so we have two reasons why you can annul the vow. They call it retract. Doesn't matter, retract, annul, right? Two reasons. So first one, Hatara, is when one totally regrets even making the vow. For example, if in the moment of anger one made the vow and now regrets it, right? So person, Hatara, meaning that's as he say, he was angry. Somebody was upset. He didn't think it through. It just may make the vow without calculation. So, and now it's too much of a burden. Okay, Pesach is when then we find an opening to allow us to rescind the vow. For example, in a case when one does not regret making the vow, because it's something really wants, but he did not realize that how difficult it would be to keep the vow, right? And he knows that, and had he known this in outside, he would never have made the vow, right? So Pesach, I think it's it's not when somebody did something in a rush. That's what I wanted to do, and I always wanted to do it. But now I realize it's too much. It's too much of a burden, and now because of this vow, because I'm failing in this field and that field. So if I had known at the start that it's going to bring this disaster result, I would never make this vow. So it's not like I don't want. I still think it's a good thing to do, but not at this time. Okay, so that's the second one, Pesach. So many times it's a combination of two, but the reasons has been discerned very different. These two means unlearned vow is referred to chataras Nederim. Okay, so meaning annulment of the vow. Okay, so vow and oath, two separate things. So vow is when you promise something, and oath, if I remember correctly, is when you say, for example, this food is forbidden to me. Okay, so or I'm forbidden to eat in this place. Okay. So vow is on you, and oath is on a object. Okay. So in this chapter we will discuss some common areas where tzedakah is affected by the vow. Okay.